Good Saturday morning. I'm KHOU meteorologist Kim Castro. We've got a beautiful weekend setting up with a very slight potential for just a little sprinkle, a light spotty shower for the next hour and a half or so. But after that, you are going to be scot-free for the rest of the weekend. Plenty of sunshine, dry conditions, and warm, lovely temperatures. Let's walk you through the weekend right now, starting off with a range of 50s and 60s across the map. 55 degrees right now in Conroe, pushing into the upper 50s for Brenham. You're sitting at 58 degrees. Columbus 62, same deal for Wharton Palacios, mid 60s for you, 65 in Sugar Land 2, Hobby 64, Bush 60 degrees, quite a bit warmer than where we were this exact same time yesterday morning, up 8 degrees. Notice those dew points though, nice and comfortable, mid 50s, not too dry, not too humid. We've got a very light breeze out of the east northeast, 7 miles an hour. That's a dry breeze coming in. All right, let me show you where that rain potential is coming in from. There's that low pressure area. It is churning out some strong to even some very strong storms just along the Louisiana coastline, but most of that staying offshore, the energy of the system staying offshore, and you can see that little surface front that's pushing into our area this morning, bringing a very light radar signature there for spring, and I'm thinking most of that isn't even reaching the ground. I think that's Virga evaporating right before it reaches the ground because, well, our air mass isn't that saturated. So you could be feeling a very light sprinkle from this surface front that's pushing through, but otherwise we are going to see that cloud deck clear away very quickly. By noon, clouds are breaking. We're in the mid 70s. By the 4 o'clock hour, we're in the mid 80s. Warm, absolutely beautiful, comfortable, and very mild for this evening. Those skies will clear. We'll see some cloud cover develop overnight, and some of that will be surface cloud cover, and I'll show you what that will look like for tomorrow. So some models showing us those temperatures pushing into the mid and even some upper 80s. El Campo, you could wind up with a high of 88 degrees for today, 87 for Columbus, some mid 80s, some lower 80s the further northwest we get. Now notice by tomorrow morning, we're going to see a surge of some south wind pumping in some moisture for tomorrow, so we could be waking up to some patchy fog, definitely some sea fog along the coastline. But by the afternoon, cloud cover once again breaking, temperatures once again warming to an absolutely gorgeous day. Now some thicker cloud deck starts to develop by Monday, and you'll notice that green starts showing back up. We are watching for your next storm system, which could bring some strong to even severe storm potential as we head into Monday night and Tuesday. Another warning, extremely high levels of oak pollen continue for this weekend. So as you're planning those outdoor activities, given it's going to be gorgeous out there, just keep that in mind. Take your allergy medication with you. Grasses are low, weeds stay moderate, mold spores low too. So here's the trend for this weekend. Dry air settling in from the north, but by Monday, we're going to see that humidity surge once more, with that moisture content building and that front squeezing through. That's when we can start to see the severe potential develop. So there's the upper level low pressure area that's moving in, bringing the Dallas-Fort Worth area some strong to potentially severe storms by 11 o'clock on Monday. But you'll notice the track of this storm now pushing a little bit to the north and to the east. That shifted a little bit from what we saw last night with the models. They were hinting at a little bit better potential for us. So that's good news. We're going to see most of the severe action stay to the north and in fact tracking towards the east as well. So much of the state of Texas, much of the state of Louisiana, and part of Mississippi too, under that level 2 from a category 1 to 5 scale. So a level 2 brings us a slight risk. The area in green, that's a marginal risk. That's the lowest potential to see some strong to severe thunderstorms. So we'll definitely watch for some of those thunderstorms to give us a good clap of thunder and potentially some heavy downpours, definitely some gusty wind. And then we'll be watching our northern counties, including Grimes, Washington, Walker, even Montgomery County is in that potential to see some stronger storms. San Jacinto, Polk, and the northern portion of Liberty there. So we'll be watching the model as it gets closer and closer to us, that low pressure area. We'll be seeing if we start to lower that risk as far as have it go to our southern counties as well. But for now, we're watching for our northern counties to see the brunt of that storm, specifically north of our viewing area. So Dallas-Fort Worth, and again towards Louisiana and Mississippi. That's kind of been the trend over the last couple of weeks. Temperature wise, for the next 7 days, we are trending on the warm side. In fact, We're looking to push towards the 80s this weekend. Again, a very slight chance for just a spotty shower as you're headed out the door. If you got some early morning plans, don't cancel them. You might just have a little bit of moisture out there, a little unwanted sprinkle to start off your day. But by the afternoon, plenty of sunshine. Sunshine again for our Sunday. Could see a little early morning patchy fog, but otherwise that cloud cover lifts, and we will welcome back the cloud cover on Monday. Specifically Monday night into Tuesday is the time frame to see those strong storms. 88 degrees already, so plenty of warmth coming back for our Tuesday. Plenty of warmth carrying us through our Wednesday, and then behind that we're going to see some colder air settle in. So Thursday, Friday will be in the 70s, but still plenty of sunshine to carry us through the end of the work week. So for now, pretty carefree this weekend. Enjoy it, but stick with us for the forecast. We'll have an updated track of this storm tonight, tomorrow morning, tomorrow night, and we'll be warning you about that. We're looking at team coverage for you on Monday as that storm system comes in, so just stick with us. Otherwise, we will see you back here at 9 o'clock for the KHU 11 Morning News.